Now y'all trying to be pretty, boy. You ugly as hell, man.
I'm gonna start hiding behind the hat, no cap. What's good?
What is this?
I'm ugly.
You're ugly and what?
Square?
No, proud.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Good. Say it louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Big boy down. On that big boy stepper, on that stepper. All my steps calculated on that stepper, nigga. Remember that, I'm the one that's stepping, nigga. I'm a step, one thing about
I'm in
me.
London, got my beef.
So tell me which is sexy, okay? Me right now, or me like this?
Neither. That was not me. Why?
To hide my ugly?
Wait, don't skip.
Huh?
I have a question.
Yo, you children have no awareness. Like, it's kind of scary how much y'all don't care.
Are all dumb ass fuckbugs.
Can you send me $100 so I can get my nails done?
I will find you,
Okay, hold on, my bad.
and I will come in your house and take you away, and you will never come back home.
Bro, I swear.
These kids are fucking stupid. I can't deal with these dumbass kids, bro. You might be part of them. You might be one of them. I ain't gonna lie. You see a nigga like me and you don't skip, like, you should be concerned for your life and shit like that, but you do not care. How old are you? That's the kidnapping age. Run! She's still here. She's still here. Run away. She's still here, dog. I lost hope for this generation. So with you, baby girl?
Why do you got that on?
You look mad good tonight. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Thank you.
How old you is?
24.
So I'm gonna get straight to the point. So like, whenever I decide to book a flight over there, you think you could cook me a meal?
I don't think my husband will like that.
We do not care.
You got a husband.
And my baby.
You got a baby. You just my type.
Oh no.
Why you on monkey looking for attention if you got a husband and kids?
On a dead homie.
On a dead homies. Like, I don't even shoot niggas yet. I'm trying to get into the business of shooting niggas, man. I don't shoot niggas yet.
On a dead homie. Real bad. Real game.
Y'all gotta be some of the stupidest motherfuckers I ever met. Nobody should ever talk to a stranger looking like this for this long. Y'all gotta be dumb. Yeah, shorty just put the flash. Like, are you recording me? Like, what's up? What's up?
What do you mean by that?
That guy horny so fast.
I'm already crazy.
That guy horny so fast. I don't like it. I don't even know how old y'all is.
What? I'm 18. We're both 18.
Worth the risk.
Said, fuck me like you're mad.
Yeah. Like this, like, you know when you get it.
Yeah, when I choke you up, and then I hit you from the back, and I hit you.
Why you being weird too?
You like when a nigga hit it real gangster and hit it real with the. And then, you know what I'm saying? Like,
What now?
What did you say?
I said, what's your Instagram? You look mad good.
If you want to, or our Instagram.
Yeah, both of you. I could take both of you at the same time.
Okay, give him yours. Jessica. Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hold on, Jess. Chill.
Look that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it wasn't it. It was it.
I think that was it.
It wasn't it though.
Hey.
What's good with you?
Hey, are you a thug?
I shoot niggas.
Girl, look at his skin color. Of course he is.
Shoot niggas. Black History Month. BLM. What the fuck is wrong with you?
For real, that's what I'm saying. Oh, I'm gonna stand up.
Giving Uncle Ruckus, but you know we ain't gonna talk about it.
I'm criminal when I see one.
I like her. Can I get your number? I'm gonna get your Instagram. How about it? I'm gonna keep it cool. Let me get your IG.
I don't even know what you look like.
No, you don't.
Rising. Mask off.
I feel like I'm cuter with the mask on though. Like this is me at my peak. You feel me?
No, you gotta take the mask off.
I only take it off if you turn around.
Wait, I got you.
Word.
Yeah. Tight shit. What's up, twin? How old is you before I square up with you?
Okay, I'm 30, like on real shit.
Are you dead ass though?
I'm dead ass.
That's lovely. But like I was saying, like I don't understand what's going on. Like I feel like bitches be lying.
What's going on?
Like bitches be lying. Y'all say y'all like hood niggas, and then I come on here as a hood nigga like.
I don't like hood niggas. I like mine white. Oh, did I stump you?
No. What did she say? My shit, like, why is my hair stuck in my face, dude? What's the problem with having long hair?
Real.
Wait a minute.
I thought that was a woman. Nah, I was just trying to record something for myself. Fuck y'all ugly. You mad cute, my nigga. Yeah, I know my nigga.
What?
I like your voice. It turned me on. What else? What else that bitch say? You fine as fuck. Like why you look this good laying down?
I don't even. I'm just chilling.
And your voice is sexy, like.
This nigga's spitting right now.
Why you got that on your face? That's the real question.
Cause I'm sexy like this. Like sexier than I would ever be without it.
I'm trying to see. Who's under there.
You trying to give me your IG?
Just tell me. I got you. Just tell me.
What's the difference?
Cause I have to type it out, and I don't want to type it out.
Your phone is in your hands.
What it say? There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna type it in.
I think that's what it is.
You don't know your IG?
I don't be using it that much. Before you leave, where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
You're from Boston. Okay. That's not bad.
You fuck with it?
Yeah, I guess. Could be worse.
I could show you some things in the bin, and you know I'll make you really fuck with it. In time, you gonna find out.
We'll see.
How?
That's gotta be racist.
Oh.
Please don't skip me. Please. I beg you. I'm begging. Like, I'll eat your Gucci. Don't skip me. Anyways, I got a question for you. Do I look better like this? Or like this? How old is you?
How old am
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like R. Kelly, man. Hey, he ain't fooling nobody, is he?
Do you fuck?
With the shiesty on it.
Type shit. They like it when a nigga hit a little gangster.
You got it again.
Okay. Don't skip me yet. Don't skip me yet. I promise this is gonna be the time of your life. And you just gotta take it. I can't win. I can't win. I can't win. Why do they keep on skipping me? Like, am I ugly?
I don't know. I can't see you.
Are you laughing? You're an asshole.
And I know on your best days, like you a dime for real. Like, let me get your IG or something. Let me get your IG. Like, stop playing with me. How old am I? I'm old enough for you.
Why you got the mask on?
Because this is my peak form. Like, this is my sexiest. I heard bitches love a little head nigga, you know, get some ghetto dick.
See, you doing too much already.
I ain't doing too much. You just ain't used to straightforward niggas.
Yo, alright, my IG is.
Yeah, you feel me? It's something like, you feel me? It's something like.
Hello.
Do you suck dick?
How are you today?
Do you suck dick? Do you suck dick good?
Why hide your face? They want to see your face.
Oh, you think I'm sexy?
Lord have mercy.
You take off your mask when you see your face.
Why are you pressing me? Do you not know what I do for a living?
Do you not know what I do for a living?
OnlyFans?
Shit, I wish.
You not know I steal bitches' hearts? I could steal yours right now. I'm like that. You ever had a nigga put you in a helicopter and then hit you with the Alien Booster 3000? I thought you said I couldn't make you laugh and giggle.
That was funny.
So like, you already know what comes after. Give me your IG. You gonna listen to me when I talk to you.
This nigga, you don't scare me for first.
It ain't about scaring you, baby. It's about having a good girl that listens.
Whoa! Unstoppable!
Oh, he's shiesty with it.
Nah, saying like,
Hey,
friend,
who you finna rob? Jody, get up.
I'm finna steal your heart, baby. What's up?
What's up?
What's your name?
Get her up.
You.
Oh, Zariah.
Why you talking mad far? Come a little closer. I fuck with your hair. I fuck with your lashes. Your skin's amazing. And I'm gonna need your fucking IG. Cause you look good.
Oh, okay.
You ever had a nigga hit you with the Alien Booster 3000?
I ain't even heard of no shit like that before.
Time for me to show you something new. You gonna learn a lot with me.
I'm like, I'm leaving here with something.
So you gonna know. I'm standing on my business.
I think you be playing.
You already know I be standing on my business. So I'm gonna need you and your sexy ass voice in my DMs ASAP. With your fine self. Sexy ass. You said you sexy, right? You said you a bad bitch, right? Let me see something.
But like, what if I say I'm transgender?
You said what?
What if I say I'm transgender? Yeah, I'm just being honest. You hear me? Yeah.
I'm asking you when your birthday is, though.
Mine, March 4th, 2004.
March 4th?
March 4th, 2004.
No wonder I just get this
I'm a
vibe from you.
Pisces.
No wonder I get this vibe from you. I just feel so magnetized to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just got an attraction. Thank you. Like, let me get your IG or something. Since you're a Pisces, does that mean, like, you a lover girl that likes to get choked?
You said I like to get choked?
A lover girl that like to get choked?
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Like get slapped up and then spit in your mouth type shit?
Maybe.
Like that!
Mercilessly devour dick?
Maybe.
Say no more. I'm gonna follow you on IG right now. Like, shit, where you from?
Houston.
One of my favorite places to go.
Are you been to Houston for a reason?
Not at all, but I got a reason to now.
But anywho,
Yeah, you mad pretty.
Thank you. We got the same chain. That's crazy.
Yo, I'm glad you believe in the Lord too. I hope.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston. Well, an exciting time is waiting for you.
Oh,
Well, you look mad good. You got Instagram?
I do have an Instagram, but I don't post on it though.
Oh, okay, it's only a way of communication. It's cool.
Oh, we can do that. I know you were trying to communicate. That's fine.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to see what you look like first before we communicate, because I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. Or not. You know what I'm saying?
You can't hurt my feelings. I promise
It's
you
not-
can't hurt my
okay, that
feelings.
came off wrong.
Listen. I'm here to steal your heart. That's my job.
Right.
So I'm over here trying to rob you of your feelings.
Of my feelings. Got it. Okay.
This is my thing. I run this, you know, like nobody can really talk to me. I'm good at what I do.
Why you got that ski mask on?
Because this is my sexiest form.
Bro, take that fucking ski mask off.
Listen. Listen to my
Let
question.
me dictate what's your sexiest.
I like the way you talking right now. But chill. Let's take our time. Let's take our time and get to know each other, alright? My question is, condom or no condom?
oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
My brother in Christ, you are scaring the hoes.
Is you gonna take this ski mask off?
I'll take it off just for you.
Okay,
But that's after we get past stage 1.
okay, we off stage one.
We ain't get past stage 1 because I asked you simple questions and you ain't answering.
No condom and cheers.
Lord of mercy, I'm about to bust.
How old is you?
20.
Where you from?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. And what y'all got over there for me besides you?
Not shit.
So I gotta add some entertainment when I come over there?
You know that I'm horny.
Give me your Instagram. How you gonna do your Instagram without typing that shit in?
Oh, you cute. Now put the hat on top of that.
What happened?
Now put your hat on top of that.
I'm gonna move at my own speed, mama. So we gonna get straight
And
to
I'll
it.
move at mine.
Oh, so you wanna play around? I'm gonna do you a favor, and if you missed out on your opportunity, that's it.
But you gonna put the hat on your
Cause I ain't gonna play around with you too much. Alright? And then I'm gonna give you your time. I'm type of nigga to stand on business.
What the fuck happened?
This is the Gulag. In here, you fight to win back your life.
Nibble kid. Never cared. Have a
Hey,
good
what's your
time.
name?
Oh,
So I can write it with your number.
Trey, nice to meet you.
Trey?
Yeah.
Alright, nice to meet you too, love.
We gonna talk. We gonna talk.
Oh my God, Baba.